whenever you are working on a frame structure, there has to be some grid lines to follow. Otherwise, the frame will not be as accurate as it should be. But in this case, like in ground floor level, I have already removed my grid lines in our previous video. So for the grid lines in this file, I will just go to any other of my floor, and now you can see that all of the grid lines are available, and I want to redraw them within Revit. And you can see that in architecture tab in datum panel, tooltip assistance is showing me gr is the command, and I will just click here and I will start drawing any grid, because currently the offset is 0 feet 0 inches, and from draw tool lines is selected. So I will start from here to here. As you can see, automatically numbering has been done, which is 1, and I will draw grids for and I will draw grids for each of the floor. Now in other direction, since the numbers are in alphabetical order, I will draw one of the grid line and then double click on it and rename it to make similar to my AutoCAD file, and then I will redraw my grid lines. Now that you can see that the sequencing has been automatically updated to alphabetical order. So this way you can draw the grid lines in your file, and it will be automatically updated based upon your last input file. For example, if I draw a random grid here and rename it to, let's say, D21, and then draw new grid line, automatically it will be D22 or D23. There's one another thing also. If you have curved walls in your building project, then you can also draw your grids in curve. For example, if I select this grid, then radius is also has been shown. That if you want to do provide some radius to this arc, then currently I will not change it, and I will just draw a random grid, and now I will select the other point for my grid line. You can see that I can also provide grid lines in the arc form as well. So I will just delete these grid lines, because these grid lines do not belong to our project, and just save it. Also, I want to check that if these grid lines are applied to my ground floor as well and the other floors as well. And if I click on my elevation, yes, the grid lines are also been showing. So that's how you can draw the grid lines. You can modify them and you can rename them.